Alright, to all guys, another song. The song is from Puth and Jung Kook of BTS. The title of the song is Left and Right. This is my simple version of how to play this song, strumming version and simple chords. So for the chords, we have two parts for the chords, and then we have string pattern part. Let's start with the chords, guys. These are the chords for the first part, verses, chorus, at ibang part. Three chords lang. Three chords. The first chord is D, memories, and then a B minor, and the third chord is a simple G. Okay, and a string pattern ay ganito, down, 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 down. So timing, right timing lang. Okay, play natin, down, down lang, down, down, down. Memories, okay, Mary, I'm in a bed here at water. Okay, na na na, down, 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 down. Okay, so yan ang chords, verses, chorus, at may ibang part na ganyan chord, D minor, and then G. And the second part is for the bridge part. For the bridge part, let's play the ending of second chorus and then bridge part. Pakita ko lang mga chords. I'll show it first, guys. So play natin ang ending of second chorus. Then bridge part. Show it first. I'll show it first. These are the chords. Every time I close my eyes. So the first chord for the bridge part is F sharp minor. Okay, F sharp minor, and then B minor. Okay, and then F sharp minor again for the second line, and then E minor. Okay, let's play again. And then second line, E minor. Then third line, F sharp minor again. Then B minor. Okay, for the third and the last line, G, simple G. Every time I close my eyes, and then G minor, just like the F sharp minor but at the third fret. Okay, G minor, bar here, then ring finger here, fifth fret. Okay, every time I close my eyes. So let us play the bridge part, ending of second chorus again. Then bridge part. Minor again, then E minor, then third line, F sharp minor again, B minor, then last line, G, every time, then G minor, then repeat the simple D, repeat the chords. Okay, repeat these three chords, guys, until the end, the outro of the song. Okay, repeat these three chords. So that's all, guys. This is our simple version of how to play this song. Please don't forget the first part, D, B minor, G, and for the bridge part. And also for my Filipino viewers, sa mga naghanap ng manipis string dyan, guys, manipis na string, gaya ng ginagamit ko, hindi masakit sa kamay, pang practice at pampakinis ng fretboard, nandyan lahat sa description ng mga link. Manipis, hindi masakit sa kamay, maganda pang practice. Yan. So that's all for this tutorial. See you sa mga next na uploads. Bye, guys. Memory.